Morning sunlight shines through the trees of a magical forest. A shiny red apple wiggles on a branch, and pluck, it falls off. It rolls down a hill, glowing with a sparkling letter A above it. The animals nearby gasp. Where is the apple running to? The apple rolls right into the paws of Benny the bear, sitting by a log. Above his head floats a sparkling letter B. Benny picks it up with a warm smile. Hello, little apple. Where did you come from? Out from the tall grass leaps Cleo the cat, with a sparkling letter C twinkling above her tail. She almost bumps into Benny and skids to a stop. Oops, sorry, Mr. Bear. Butterflies make me zoom. A splash sounds from the pond as Daisy the duck paddles forward. A sparkling letter D shimmers in the ripples behind her. She quacks loudly. What's all the excitement about? Suddenly, a baby elephant named Ellie trots in. A rainbow-colored sparkling letter E glows on her water spray. Shh! Tiny rainbows appear. A bright green frog hops onto a lily pad with a noisy boing. A sparkling letter F bounces along with him. He puffs his chest proudly. Did you hear my jump? A shadow falls as Gigi the giraffe bends her long neck. A tall, sparkling letter G floats near her head. Hello, tiny friends, she says gently. Then, whip! A colorful hat falls from the sky. A shiny, sparkling letter H spins beside it. It lands on Gigi's head. Everyone laughs. Benny opens his cooler and brings out ice cream cones. A cool, icy, sparkling letter I floats above the cones. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. Yum! A glowing jellyfish drifts down inside a bubble. A watery, sparkling letter J glides beside it. It lights up the pond with soft blue light. A gust of wind sends a bright kite flying. A soaring, sparkling letter K glitters in the sky. Cleo grabs the string and twirls happily. Leo the lion walks in proudly. A golden, sparkling letter L shines above his mane. He gives a warm, gentle roar. A monkey swings down from a tree branch. A playful, sparkling letter N spins around him. He steals Benny's hat and grins. Monkey points upward. A sparkling letter N glows beside a cozy nest full of baby birds. Everyone listens to their sweet chirping. Mama Owl pops her head out. A round, sparkling letter O floats around her big eyes. Hoo-hoo! Thanks for visiting my babies, she says. A chilly breeze blows. A tiny, sparkling letter P twirls around a waddling penguin. Hello from the cold lands, he says, sliding into the grass. A sparkling carriage appears. A shiny, sparkling letter Q hovers beside the queen's crown. Greetings, little friends, she says. The queen waves her wand. A glowing, sparkling letter R shoots into the sky. A magnificent rainbow arches across the forest. The sun shines brighter. A warm, sparkling letter S floats in front of it. Golden beams dance across the trees. The rainbow light touches a seed. A magical tree bursts upward, and a sparkling letter T grows atop its branches. Its leaves shimmer in all colors. Sparkling rain begins to fall. A colorful, sparkling letter U appears above each umbrella. Even the penguin has a tiny one. A bunny hops out with a violin. A musical, sparkling letter V twirls with every note he plays. Animals sway and dance joyfully. A bubble floats down with a tiny whale inside. A wave-shaped sparkling letter W swims next to it. The whale giggles, spraying tiny fountains. Monkey finds a colorful xylophone. A bright, sparkling letter X bounces with each note. Ding, dong, ding, ding. A fluffy yak arrives wearing a scarf. A soft, snowy, sparkling letter Y drifts above him. I brought snacks, he says, sharing berries. All animals join in a grand parade. A glowing, sparkling letter Z rises above them. Suddenly, All letters A to Z float into the sky. Learning is sun in the magical forest.